You can see how badly these things have faded. Actually, if we turn it underneath, that's the original red, and that's what they've faded to, but just on one side. The other side isn't as bad, but it's starting to look pink. That looks kind of yellow. So we'll see if we can fix them up. So a few days ago I was using this wire to kind of take off the initial paint and had a little bit of a mishap here, but got it clamped down now. All right, all done. One thing to mention that it's not really about bling, as you can tell by looking at my bike, that I really don't have that much extra stuff. Everything's pretty much stock, with the exception of the number plates and my traffic signal of former plates there. But the final result is, I think it looks all right. They look better on that nice red color, in my opinion, but I think this looks better than the tangerine, yellow, pink sun fade that was going on these corners. So I know I'll call it mission accomplished.